Hi, I'm Joseph Chan, co-founder of Kith and Kin Realty, and my passion in real estate began in 2007 as a property investor. I began my career as a real estate negotiator back in 2013, covering Shah lumps, and 8 years later, my partners and I have set up our own agency. I started my career as a banker back in 2007, and I was responsible of managing the securities trading operation. While I was working in the bank, I was taught about property investment by my late father, Raymond Chan. In 2013, my dad was terminally ill due to cancer, and I decided to leave the banking industry to be a real estate negotiator, hoping to spend time with my father. Before I could resign, my dad passed away, and it was a huge blow to me as he was my inspiration and role model. My former colleagues and friends doubted my real estate career. However, with the determination to prove them wrong and to provide for my family, I persevered. Success does not come easy, and I really had to work hard in my early years. I remember when I first started, I was focused on one condominium in Shah Alam, but I did not give up. And true enough, I became the building specialist and transacted more than 50% of the market transactions in the building. Property demand has dropped tremendously in the first quarter, and the interest rate has dropped 5 times last year. We have seen many owners selling their property due to their jobs being impacted and business suffering losses. Due to lower demands, they will need to sell lower to offload their properties. Exploring online platforms such as Mudah.my will benefit your career. For me, advertising on Mudah.my has played a huge role in my sales during the pandemic, as my listing is more visible than before. Besides exposure on the platform, Mudah.my also helps by remarketing on other various platforms, which has given me better exposure and leads for my listings. Real estate career has changed my family and my life. I am now able to spend more time with my family due to the flexible hours and at the same time have a comfortable income. Keep your focus and always have a goal so that you'll always be motivated and be on the right direction.